Hello there, everyone, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing LEGO set number 30576, Holiday Tree. So, this is the Holiday Tree. It's got 3 builds. You get 2 present builds. One is just this simple stud 1x2 jumper and then 2 1x2 plates. And then this one is just a stud and then 2 2x2 jumper plates or jumper tiles or whatever you call them. But then the star of the show, pun not intended, is the Christmas tree. And this is a nice build. It's got all kinds of different color little ornaments or lights or whatever they're meant to be. You got orange, red, translucent blue, regular blue, dark purple, lime green, translucent yellow. I think that's it. I think I listed all of them. But yeah, this is a nice build. It's got a nice combination of bricks and this like leaf piece. Then you have the red base to it that kind of like spins around. It's attached via a propeller piece. Then you have a translucent neon green fairy wand on the top to represent the star. It's awful tall, but I do like how it looks. And then something that's kind of confused me for a while is the black here, and then the dark green here. I wasn't quite sure what that was meant to be. Now, it could be that they just had a surplus of that piece left and they wanted to get rid of them. Or I think that maybe it's meant to represent like a string of lights, because I'm sure if you've decorated a Christmas tree, you know most of the like big strings of lights come on like a dark green or a black wire. So maybe that's what it's meant to be. Also, another thing that's fun is if you place it down on some studs, you can spin it around. It's a pretty simple build, but definitely gets the job done. And I'd say it's somewhat minifigure scale. I mean, like, not super minifigure scale because it's pretty huge. I'm going to go get a minifigure to compare. So just compared to a minifigure, here's Donatello. He's not included with this set, obviously. So it's pretty tall, in fact. Probably about as tall as 2 minifigs stacked on top of each other. But, I mean, I've seen some big Christmas trees in my life, so I'd say you could still call it minifigure scale. But, yeah. I like this build. I think it's a pretty good Christmas tree. Not just gonna spend a bunch of time saying the same thing over and over again, so let's look at the instructions and packaging. The instructions are just a pretty simple fold-up polybag instructions. You got the picture of the set, you got the wind guy, and then just all the different steps to build it. Yeah, it's pretty simple but effective. And then the packaging, or the polybag, looks like this. I do still have the top, but it's been cut off so that I could, build the set. Got a nice background on there, which I think looks quite nice. I like the little stockings above the fireplace and how they're actually kind of like minifigure-like shaped. Yeah, so again, nothing like super amazingly exciting, but it definitely gets the job done. So now let's give the set a number score from 1 to 10. Overall, this is a relatively simple set, but I think it does a pretty good job at what it does. It just happens to be that what it was trying to do is not particularly difficult. So it does a great job at a relatively easy task. So I'm going to give it a solid 7 out of 10. But I think it's about time that I make like a Christmas tree and get out of here. So I wish all of you a happy holidays, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.